The Campaign for Historic Trades Opportunities page functions as both a list and an interactive calendar where you can search for jobs, workshops, and events based on locations or tags. Whether you're looking to find a job, internship, or fill a position, the Campaign's Opportunities page is a great resource. If you have an opportunity you would like to share, go to historictrades.org and click on the Opportunities. Next, click the Submit an Opportunity button. Here, you'll enter information about your event or job opening. The accordion on the side is there to help you along the way. If you aren't sure how to fill out a field, click the heading that matches the title of the field for tips and explanations. Let's walk through the process of submitting an internship opportunity. For this example, we'll submit a cemetery preservation internship at the Oakland Cemetery in Atlanta, Georgia. All postings are submitted as events. Therefore, the event title will be the name of the internship, Cemetery Preservation Internship. The event description box is where we will add the position description, qualifications, internship period, salary range, and how to apply. You can also add any additional information you feel necessary for an applicant to know. For the event date and time, use the application deadline. The position will be shown until that date occurs. If the deadline is extended past the original one, please resubmit your listing. For this internship, the deadline for application is March 17, 2024. So we'll click in the box, go to the month of March, and click on the 17th. We'll make this an all-day event since it's a deadline. You can add an event image if you would like, but it's not required. Next, assign a category to your posting. You can select multiple pre-existing categories that correspond with the nature of your posting. Because this is an internship, use the Apprenticeships and Internships category. Utilizing the tag feature can help others find opportunities based on their skills or interests. It's recommended to have 2 or 3 tags per posting. So for this one, we'll use the tags Cemetery and Masonry. You can scroll through the pre-existing tags here or type. The venue is where the internship will take place. First, type in the venue name to ensure that they don't already exist in the system. This internship is taking place at Oakland Cemetery, and we can see that it doesn't already exist, so we will click Create. So we'll do the street address, the city, the country, the state, their postal code, as well as the phone number and website. After adding the venue, we can move on to the organizer details. The organizer is who prepares or presents the position, which is not always the same as the venue. This internship is hosted by the Historic Oakland Foundation. So like before, we'll type in the title and we see that they do not already exist, so we'll press Create. We must fill in all the required information, so we'll add their phone number, the website they use, and a general email. Next, add a link to the application or a page with additional details about the position. This will be presented at the top of the job posting once it's approved. Since this internship does not have an online application, we're adding a link with additional information about the position. For a job posting to be approved, there must be a salary range included. If it's an unpaid internship, please specify that in the event description box. This internship pays $15 per hour, so we'll add that here. Then add an email the campaign can reach out to regarding your posting. This email address will not be public and only used if the campaign has any questions or concerns regarding your posting. Then, add a point of contact for an applicant to reach out to regarding this position. When submitting a job or internship opportunity, leave the event cost field blank. Click on the box to agree to the terms of submission, and then click Submit Event, and you're done. The campaign's team reviews submissions every Friday, and if approved, your post should be live the following Monday. If you don't see your posting after this timeline, feel free to email info@historictrades.org for clarifications or questions concerning your post. Here at the Campaign for Historic Trades, we're excited to continue connecting tradespeople with opportunities that further their passions.